السلام عليكم. أنا الطالب عارف كامل من مرحلة الصف الثاني المتوسط مدرسة الموهوبين. البحث هو عن النانوتكنولوجي في البيئة بإشراف الدكتورة الفاضلة أباء عزوز المحنى. Introduction about nanotechnology represent a revolutionary path of technological development that conquers the management of the material at the nanometer scale, 1 billion times smaller than a meter. Nanotechnology factually means any technology on the nanoscale that has enormous applications on the real world, like applications on like medical, environment, industry, farming, energy, engineering, electrical engineering, and more. Nanotechnology and environment. Nanotechnological products, process, and applications are expected to contribute significantly to environmental and climate protection by saving raw materials, energy, and water, as well as by reducing greenhouse gases and hazardous waste. Using nanomaterials promises certain environmental benefits and sustainability effects that nanotechnology currently plays a rather subordinate role in the environmental protection, whether it be in research or in practical applications. In environmental engineering, companies themselves attach only a limited importance to the nanotechnology in their respective fields. That because many reasons, like rising prices of the raw materials and energy, coupled with the increasing of environmental awareness of consumers, are responsible for a flood of products on market that promise certain advantage for the environmental and climate protection. Some benefits of applications in nanotechnology and environment. Nanotechnology is very important in the environment. Like scientists are working on nanotechnology solution for radioactive waste cleanup, specifically the use of the titanate nanofibers as absorbent for the removal of the radioactive ions from water. Also, the unique structural properties of titanate nanotubes and nanofibers make them superior materials for removal of the radioactive cesium and iodine ions in water. The radioactive substances can kill for the human and live for a lot of time, like 1,000 years. When one of the radioactive substances being unable to use, it is cleaned up and stored maybe underground, but it can be still killer, so may store in a specialization storage. These storage are made up of from specialization methods that make sure it will not get out if anything happened. هاي كيف يخزنوها تحت الأرض بس تكون تستمر بأنها تكون قاتلة، وهاي المخازين الخاصة اللي تخزن بها مواد المشعة. There is a lot of negative and positive effects of nanotechnology in the environment are discussed. Advances in nanotechnology may be able to provide more sensitive detection systems for air and water quality monitoring, allowing to the simultaneous measurement of multiple of the parameters and real-time response capability. Nanotechnology might provide solutions for certain environmental problems. Relatively little is known at present about the environmental impact of nanoparticles. Through in some cases, chemical combustion, size and shape have been shown to contribute to toxicological effects. While nanotechnology solutions for certain environmental problems, relatively little is known at present about the environmental impact of nanoparticles. Though in some cases chemical combustion size and shape have been shown to contribute toxicological effects, nanotechnology can assist resource saving through the use of the lightweight, high-strength materials based on carbon nanotubes and metal oxide frameworks as hydrogen storage materials. Other energy-related applications include the nanostructured electrode material for improving the performance of lithium-ion batteries in the nano porous silicon and titanium dioxide in advanced photovoltaic cells. It is important develop an efficient strategy for the recycling and for the recovery of the nanomaterials, and methods are needed to assess whether the potential benefits of the nanotechnology outweigh the risks. Life cycle analysis will be useful tools for assessing the true environmental impact. الآن هذا فيديو بسيط عن النانو تكنولوجي، فيديو مرح يوضح أهمية النانو تكنولوجي وكيف يمكن أنها تغير الحياة مستقبلا. Thank you for listening.